Welcome to Silicom Pro, your one-stop destination for high-quality silicone-based industrial lubricants. Begin your purchase by scrolling down to the Buy Products Online section on the main page. Alternatively, click on the Products link at the top menu or hit the Store button on the right side of the menu. Now explore our products by clicking on the one that you like. On the product page, you'll find everything you need to know, from the product to its price, specifications, applications, payment options, and delivery methods. Please remember that the displayed price includes a goods and services tax, or GST, of 10%, but excludes delivery to your address. We offer two delivery options, the Australia Post Parcel Service or the Australia Post Express Service. If you're satisfied with your choice, click the Order Now button. Fill out the form on the order page with your details. This ensures accurate invoicing and delivery. We'll need your full name, business name if applicable, delivery address, suburb, postcode, and state or territory from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to provide your email address for the invoice and payment details. You can also include your phone number for any delivery-related queries. Select your preferred delivery method, Australia Post Parcel or Express Service. Below, you'll see the total amount, including product and delivery costs. Before proceeding, we recommend reviewing our privacy policy. Rest assured, your information is safe with us and will not be shared with any third parties. When you're ready, hit the Submit button. Within an hour, you'll receive an invoice via email. Payment can be made through bank transfer or using a credit card payment link. Sit back and relax. Your order will arrive within a few days. We're confident you'll love the quality of our products. Thank you for choosing Silicom Pro. We are happy to help you with your next project.